Integral Fire Protection is a family-owned and operated business that specialise in the sale, service, maintenance and installation of fire protection equipment and systems. Your safety is our priority. From humble beginnings in 2015, we've experienced significant growth, servicing over 2,000 clients across the Western Australian region. We offer a range of specialist services across all business sectors: sale, installation and maintenance of fire extinguishers and blankets, fire hose reel and hydrant systems, fire doors, emergency and exit lighting, fire panels, detection systems and warning systems, fire sprinkler systems and pump sets. Here at Integral Fire Protection, customer service and communication is paramount. We have a team of friendly, qualified technicians that operate 24/7. With frequent updates and comprehensive reporting, we will assure your site is compliant and safe at all times. Looking for a professional and no-fuss service? Call the team at Integral Fire Protection today.